Welcome back, health enthusiasts. I'm Leo M. from Health Spiffy, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that might just change the way you think about your daily routine. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you lifted up your legs for just 15 minutes every day? Get ready to discover the surprising benefits and effects of this simple yet powerful practice. Let's jump right in. Imagine this. You take a few minutes out of your busy day to elevate your legs, whether it's lying on your back or propping them up against a wall. What seems like a minor act can actually have significant impacts on your overall health and well-being. Here are some detailed insights into what happens to your body when you lift up your legs for 15 minutes every day. 1. Improved circulation. Elevating your legs above heart level helps facilitate blood flow back to the heart, reducing swelling and promoting circulation throughout your body. This can alleviate symptoms of varicose veins, edema, and overall discomfort in the lower extremities. 2. Reduced inflammation. By allowing gravity to assist in draining excess fluid from tissues, leg elevation can help reduce inflammation and bloating, particularly after long periods of sitting or standing. 3. Relaxation and stress relief. Lying down with your legs elevated can promote relaxation by taking pressure off the lower back and encouraging a sense of calm. 3. This simple practice can be a soothing way to unwind at the end of a hectic day. 4. Improved posture. Elevating your legs can help realign the spine and pelvis, relieving strain on the lower back muscles and promoting better posture over time. 5. Enhanced recovery. Athletes and active individuals often use leg elevation as part of their recovery routine to reduce muscle soreness, speed up recovery after workouts, and prevent injury. 6. Lymphatic drainage. Elevating the legs aids in lymphatic drainage, helping to remove toxins and waste products from the body more efficiently. 7. Better sleep. Incorporating leg elevation into your bedtime routine may improve circulation, reduce nighttime discomfort, and promote better sleep quality. 8. Mental clarity. The relaxation induced by leg elevation can also have mental health benefits, such as reducing stress levels, improving focus, and enhancing overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of leg elevation. Make it a daily habit for at least 15 minutes to experience these positive effects on your body and mind. There you have it, folks. The incredible transformations that can occur in your body by simply lifting up your legs for 15 minutes each day are truly remarkable. I hope this information inspires you to incorporate this easy practice into your daily routine for improved health and vitality. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on Health Spiffy, where we empower you to take charge of your well-being. Thanks for watching.